All right, so done with the bike. Uh, this is kind of a continuation and a test drive after going through all this work. So I'm going to take a right through Clark, and this is the Mabalacat gate, and we're going to head on down through Clark to just check out the bike and joyride a little bit. So come on, ride with me. You know, when you ride in here towards Clark, through the gate here, you know, the views are pretty scenic, whatever. And you see the mountains in the background. To the right here, I think that road takes you up towards the new Clark City or whatever, the grounds where they had the games here, sea games. So it's a pretty nice little ride. Nice weather, not too sunny, and temperatures are in the low 80s today, so it feels pretty good. Enjoying the ride. Anyway, so the whole debacle came down to bad fuel. And to be honest with you, I'm 60 plus years old, and I've never seen anything like it. So I'm gonna go. Next time I go by there, I'm going to present some pictures and the receipt and say, never fueled here again for sure. It's just crazy. Right here to the right, you have a little park, and people come up here and enjoy the day. Clark has a lot of activities to offer. You know, we've been up in the C2C park. We've been hanging out there almost every day, every night. Janice, my wife, feels like she wants to walk, and it's a great area to do it. All right, so this area takes you up to, I don't know, a lot of you guys might be familiar with it, Nayong Filipino Park, and I'm gonna take this ride around here. I don't think I ever done a vlog in this particular area, so it's kind of new to me, and hopefully to you watching. This is like a big roundabout, and once we get down here, I think here to the right, we're heading towards the Nayong Filipino Park, which is kind of a historic park. It was located in somewhere in Manila before, and when they created Clark here and the free zone and all that stuff, they moved it up here, and we have tried to go there a few times, and it has been closed for at least, I think, like 2 years. Here to the right, you're getting up to Nayong, and I'm obviously not gonna go there today. It's probably not even open, so I'm gonna head down this way, and I'm gonna take a ride through the central part, where a lot of you have probably been here, but over the last 10, 15, 20 years, a lot of things has changed, and I love Clark. I come in here, I ride around. One of the reasons is, as you can see, there's absolutely no traffic whatsoever, so that's a great thing. All right, so this way is up towards the, I would say, southern part or northern part or whatever of Clark, and this road up here, you're getting up, you have a couple of fast food restaurants, McDonald's, and I think a Jollibee or something up here. And if you continue straight on this road, you're getting up to Fontana. That's not where I'm going to go today. I'm just going to head on down towards the main gate. But look at this, guys. You have to the left here Marriott Hotel, and then you have another high-rise right here. You see the cranes. I don't know for sure what that is, but I think it is a hotel being built. It's funny enough how they build all these things where you literally have no tourism here at this point, and they're just keeping building. Hotels are closing. Hotels are like shutting down, or at least not keeping officially open. And here you go. You have major hotel chains building hotels in the smack middle of Clark. Explain that one to me, if anybody can. I think this might be Marriott extension, but I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna say either or, but it's just amazing to me that this is what they're doing here. All right, so I'm gonna head down this way towards the Friendship Gate. This is the main road coming in from the main gate, so I'm gonna head down down that way. All right, so few minutes into the ride, my conclusion is the bike is running good. That teaches you something, right? Don't buy gasoline just anywhere. The reason I stopped there was I was running out, and I normally stop at Shell or Petron, which are two more like established gas stations. And in this case, I just had to stop. I was running out. I was afraid I was going to run out. So I stopped, fueled up, told them to fill it up, got home, parked the bike overnight, and the next morning it would not run. And you guys have seen the results. So that's what happened there. Anyway, that is over. I'm happy. I just wish at this point that we could start traveling again, because this is absolutely crazy sitting here. You know, something they said, oh, it'd be 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and now we're within 10, 11 months, and it does not look like anything is going to change. And the worst part to me is that the numbers don't act up to me. But that's just me. I'm not a scientist. I'm not anything. But when you have a pandemic, normally a lot of more people suffer and pass away than the previous years, and we do not see that statistics globally. It's not just US, it's not just here. It looks to me like it's globally. I'm jokingly saying that this schismus here has succeeded in curing all other natural causes of demise or death or whatever you want to call it. So anyway, been fun riding. I like the fact that the bike is running good, and we're getting down towards here to the left. Make a left here. You get in to the airport, and straight ahead, the next main exit is the Friendship Gate, and that's where I am going to head out. Just going to take a quick ride down the perimeter road, Don Diego, in towards the Walking Street. I like to go that route once in a while, and I'm gonna do it today. But that be for another video. For now, thank you for watching. God bless, and have fun, everybody. Take care of your family, friends, children, animals, pets, like Brian says, and we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget our live feed Sunday morning 9:15. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.